What's up, fellow Greymanes? If you're looking for a spear that's also a gun at the same time, keep watching and I'll tell you how to get the Finest Rhinard Cannon. This ranged weapon has 24 points of attack damage. It's got no abyss gears, but it has 5 slots for them. This weapon is found inside the Delesian continent. And if we zoom in and check the guidelines, the horizontal line aligns with the first foot of Dewhaven's letter H on the east, and the vertical line on 3's first letter E of the Three Brothers Cliff on the south. When you reach that point, you'll find a ruined tower. Just get inside and go down the ladder. In the main hall, you'll find 2 lanterns. Just light them up and a secret passage will open. Be careful as you move in since there will be saw traps ahead. The traps are easy to navigate though, so when you reach the end, just interact with the lever and the wall to your right will open up, revealing the only chest inside. Loot it and you've got yourself a spear cannon. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.